Hi friends, today we'll learn mastering multiplication and division by 7. This presentation will equip you with essential mathematical skills for multiplication and division by 7. First, the historical understanding and problem-solving abilities are applicable in everyday life, from counting days to organizing groups. If you haven't already, I suggest watching my video Mastering Multiplication and Division by 6. A link to the video in the description. Why is important? Weekly cycle, 7 days in a week, and common billing cycle of 7 weeks make understanding stands crucial for daily planning. Calendar calculations, easy estimate days, for instance. Knowing that 49 days is precisely 7 weeks. Sharing and grouping. Efficiently distribute lines evenly and so practical problems involving groups of 7. Foundation for complex math. Multiplication and division by 7 provides a vital building block for more advanced mathematical operations. Alright, multiplication by 7, the basics. Concept multiplication by 7 involves combining with 7. For example, 3 times 7 means 3 distinct groups, each containing 7 items. Repeat addition, realize 3 times 7 as 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21, then stating the direct relationship between addition and multiplication. Examples: 1 7 equals 7, 1 equals 7. 5 7 equals 35, 5 equals 7. 10 times 7 equals 10, 10 equals 7. An easily recognizable pattern. Multiplication by 7, the strategy, part 1. Skip counting by 7. Memorize the sequence. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 60, 70. This foundational math skill as quick recall. Break down this repetitive review. Think my complex problems like 7 times 8 by repeating 7 into 5 and 2. 5 times 8 plus 2 times 8 equals 40 times 60 equals 56. Leverage known fact. 6 times 7 equals 42. Then 7 times 7 is simply 42 plus 7 equals 49. And 1 more equals 7. Multiplication by 7 strategies, part 2. Triple 7 divided by 8. We have 5, 6, 7, 8 to recall that 56 is the part of 7, 8 has a nice appearance sequential or yeah, this one is 56 and that's an easy one, so hand very associate equals 14 with 2 weeks. The right 7 times 7 is 20. With 9 times with 7 times 7. Memorization. Ultimately, direct memorization and multiplication entails a more efficient method for rapid and accurate recall in various scenarios. Division by 7, the basics. Concept: division by 7 involves splitting a total into even 7 equal groups by determining how many groups of 7 are contained with a larger number. Inverse operation. Division is the direct inverse of multiplication. If 4 times 7 equals 28, and 28 divided by 7 equals 4, illustrating this fundamental relationship. Examples: 42 apples divided amongst 10 masters results in 6 apples per basket. 42 divided by 7 is 6. from 56 and you from 8 equals 7. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. Division by 7, strategies part 1. Use multiplication facts to solve 63 divided by 7. As one number multiplied by 7 gives me 63. The answer 9, the E4 rise the quotient. Repeat subtraction. For 35 divided by 7, continuously subtract 7 until 0. 35 divided by 7 equals 28. 28 divided by 28 minus 7 equals 21. 21 minus 7 equals 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. This takes 5 steps, so 35 divided by 7 equals 5. 5 families. Let's emulate fast. 7 times 9 equals 63. 9 times 7 equals 63. 63 divided by 7 equals 9. And 63 divided by 9 is 0. There's 4 operations from a cohesive family. Division by 7 strategies for 2. Division with the remainders. No numbers divide evenly by 7. For example, 30 divided by 7 equals 4, where remainder 2 include 4 full groups of 7 and 2 attempts remaining. Mirror scenario. A farmer with 50 acres fills 7 full cartons of 7 with 1 egg remaining. In 60 periods at 7 pages a day, takes 8 full days, with 4 periods remaining for the 9th day. 60 divided by 7 is 8 divided by remaining 4. Alright, so here's some interactive questions and solve it right now. Pause the video if you want to solve. When you solve the question, the answer for each one is 28, 7, 56, 10, 2, and 5. For multiplication, you can just add the numbers like addition, or for division, you can just subtract and count the number of times you subtract too. Key takeaways in conclusion. Inverse operations. Multiplication and division by 7 are fundamentally inverse operations, meaning they undo each other. Strategic application. Analyze various strategies of good parenting, main problems, and leveraging inverse math for efficient problem solving. Understand remainders. Recognize that remainders are crucial in division when numbers do not divide evenly, providing constant practice. Regular practice is paramount for achieving mastery and developing fluidity with and division. You got this. 你看的 You sense in your mathematical confidence grow. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for my social media. I have YouTube and Facebook and more coming soon, so thanks for watching.